Anthropic's Claude Cowork is a specialized agentic system designed to run locally in a secure sandbox on your desktop. Unlike standard chatbots, it functions as an autonomous partner that can decompose complex goals into subtasks and execute them by interacting directly with your local files and applications. To enhance this capability, Anthropic recently released 11 disruptive plugins that automate expert-level professional work. These tools cover critical domains: legal for contract triage, finance for modeling and reporting, data for direct warehouse querying, and marketing for campaign deployment. The technical efficiency of these agents, replacing entire teams with automated execution, triggered a massive $285 billion stock market crash for SaaS giants like Infosys and TCS, as investors feared the end of traditional seat-based software models. However, these tools currently cost $100 monthly and are exclusive to Mac users. In this video, we are going to see how can we avail such similar agent tools on our system for free and irrespective that you are using Mac, Windows, or Linux. Let's get started.
Hello everyone. As we all know, few days back, Claude Cowork released its 11 new plugins which affected many white-collar jobs. These jobs mostly includes like the data analysis and the service-based providing jobs, which comes under the companies like TCS, Infosys, and as a result, their stock price has also reduced drastically. In this era, we are shifting towards the normal generative AIs to agentic AIs. These 11 tools released by the Cloud Cowork marks the transition between the AI to be considered as an assistant to become a coworker, as it can easily do any job that a normal person that do more efficiently, and it doesn't require more information, more details regarding it. It can perform it to its perfection. But the benefits of these new 11 tools, which are released by the cloud, are only limited to the Mac users and the Mac subscribers. As you can see in the official documentary also, it is clearly mentioned that it's only available for the macOS application and the Mac subscribers. And if I show you the subscription cost of these Mac subscribers, it's very heavy. So if I try to upgrade this plan, so you can see that the Mac subscription starts from the $100 per month, which is very expensive. So the power of these agentic tools are limited to a fraction of peoples. Rest peoples do not have the access to these agentic tools, but I came across a potential alternative for this cloud cover. It is named as Agent AI. So this is the website of the Agent AI. As you can see in the heading as well, it is written as the open source cover. As I told you before, this is an open source model, which you can easily get cloned from the GitHub as well, or you can simply download it from here as well. This Agent AI is built on the CAMEL AI multi-agent framework, which works across the cross-platform like the Windows, Linux, Mac, unlike that we seen in the Cloud Cowork, which is only available for the Mac users only and for the Mac subscription only. But this one is free. But here it provides you only 1200 credits. But if you try the GitHub open source, you will get unlimited credits limits. This AI competes directly with the Cloud Cowork. As you can see, it has several features which the Cowork also provides, but it provides for free, as it's stated like this is a free, and it's for dynamic work node and massive MCP. You can easily connect with different MCPs which is available, or you can also connect your custom MCP which you have created. It has various applications like organized desktop files, ticket management system, integration and reporting, Windows download folder cleanup, add PDF signature, and many more. So first I try to download it. On downloading, I will use Windows right now, so I will download the Windows. Similarly, you can do for Mac as well. After downloading, setup file will be downloaded. So after downloading the setup file, you can simply install the Agent AI. After installing, you just need to give some permissions to it so that it can browse throughout your computer. And once all the permissions are given, this window will open. As you can see, it has different modes like the developer agent, browser agent, multimodal agent, document agent, and many more. What you just need to do, just write here the task which you want to perform here, and then it will divide the task into several steps, and each step will be given to the different agent which it has. And also I show you some settings of it, like you can change the models as well. So here you can see that each free user gets the 1200 credits and different model selection as well. You can use any model of it, or you can use the APIs of other models and just simply write it down here. It also supports the local model integration as well, like the Llama. As you can see, you just need to put which model you are using and the model and endpoint URL and model type. It also allows the compatibility with different MCP tools. Like see, these tools are available in it. And you can also choose your own MCPs. Like I have added the sequential thinking and WhatsApp. The WhatsApp MCP, I just git cloned it from the GitHub. It's a very good MCP. It just allows that you can use your WhatsApp so that you can send the messages directly through the LLM which you are using and also manage the chats that you are getting in the WhatsApp. So these are the MCP tools which the Agent AI supports. Now let's see the practical usage of it. Now let's try to assign a task to this Agent AI. I will ask the AI to organize my desktop folder. I show how messy is it. As you can see, my desktop is very messy. Now I will ask the Agent AI so that it can organize the desktop. So we just need to give it a prompt. I will simply press enter here. Now you can see it is splitting the given task into subparts, and then it will assign to different agents. As you can see, it's writing the task one. As you can see, using the terminal toolkit, it will use my terminal to get to the directory of the desktop, and will create a JSON object. So you can see it has divided the given task into 4 subtasks. Now I simply set it to start a task. Now you can see it has assigned the task to the different agents, like the 2 tasks has been performed by the developer agent and 1 task is assigned to the document agent. So now you can see all the tasks have been completed. You can see the done mark has been shown across all the 4 tasks which are given to the agents. And you can see like all the tasks have been done and also mentioned like what I've done there. All the 4 subtasks have been done completed. Now we just see that how our desktop looks like. Now you can see our desktop is good and organized, and it has created a folder shortcuts and apps. Let's see what's inside it. You can see here is browsers, communication remote, development, media, entertainment, online services, and productivity. Now let's see that which folder consists of what. You can see inside the browser it has put my Chrome and my Microsoft Edge. It has recognized that which browser is of what, and this folder is kept empty. Now the development. You can see here he has put the Visual Studio Code, the cursor, the Comet, and the Claude. So it has recognized that these are the LLM apps, so it has put into development. The browsers have been put in the browser, and this is for media and entertainment. It has put the Spotify and YouTube here, and for the online services, it has put the Proton Drive, Proton Mail, and Proton Pass in the online services. And for the productivity and utilities, let's see, it has put the Automate CAD, the agent, and the GitHub desktop inside this folder. So it has organized my whole desktop, which was earlier very messy, and converted it into a bit simple and organized by creating the folders for each type. So this was the whole application of the agent desktop. Now we can also download this using the GitHub, and if we download it using the GitHub, then it will be more secure for our data because it will not be connected to the web, and also it will provide us the unlimited credits. Now I show the path of how you can use the GitHub. This is the repository of it. You just simply need to clone this repository by using this URL, and the steps for it are like first you need to git clone this library and then change the directory to the agent, then npm install, npm run dev, and further steps. You will also need the usage of the Docker, so make sure the Docker is being installed in your device. You can also refer to this blog, which is a full guide for building a local AI workforce using agent. You just need to use the GitHub for this and just need to git clone the repository, modify the environment. So at last, I would like to conclude that the AI is developing very fast, and agent AI is the potential competitor to the Cloud Cowork, as it provides almost all the tools that the Cowork provides us at free and can be used in the Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. So this is for all. Thank you.